Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial with me on Catia V5. So it's been a long time since I have made a tutorial in Catia. So today I'm going to design a Ikea serving ball. As you can see, I have already designed it in Catia. So it's very easy and you can follow it. It's nothing much. So without further ado, let's begin. So as you can see, this is the model which I'm going to make in this tutorial. So let's start with the mechanical design and part design. Okay, choose any plane. So let's take XY plane, go for a sketch and draw something like this. So sketch your profile and so as you can see, my profile is ready. Now I need to give dimensions to this one. So start with the base. This is 60. So this one and this one is 12, and distance between these two are also 12. Next, from this point to this point, the distance is 140. From this point to this point, the distance is 138, and from this point to this, the distance is 130. This should be 60. So I think my sketch is complete. Okay, 130, 138. One more distance I would like to give is from here to this part should be 122. So right now, as you can see, my sketch is fully constrained. So let's exit the workbench and go for shaft. Select your preview. So as you can see, the ball is ready. I just need to make some few adjustments to fill it, and the ball is perfect. So for fillet, let's go for fillet. Select this one, outside, and inside go for 2 mm. Okay, again go for fillet, select the inside, give 8 mm. Okay, side these planes. So as you can see guys, this is very much how you can design your Ikea serving ball in Catia V5, and you can do it, you can do rendering for this one later. As you can see, I'm not going for rendering in this video. So hope you guys like it, and please subscribe to my channel for more of these. And yeah, thank you so much. Peace.